Hello students, this is part 3 of chapter Light. Students, we have already studied reflection is a bouncing of light from a surface. On the basis of reflecting surface, we can categorize reflection into two types, that is regular reflection and irregular reflection. When all parallel rays reflected from a smooth surface are parallel in one direction, then it is said to be a regular reflection. Happens in case of plane mirror, polished metallic sheets, etc. Whereas irregular reflection is that when all the parallel rays after reflecting from a rough surface are not parallel, they move in different direction, then it is said to be irregular reflection. For example, the reflection from cardboard, bricks, books, etc. It is due to irregular reflection of sunlight by things which enables us to see them even if the sunlight does not fall directly on the surface. Now students, there is a question. How can we see objects which are not visible directly? For that, let us see a situation when you visit a hairdresser to cut your hairs. Dresser makes you sit in front of a plane mirror. After cutting your hair, dresser holds another plane mirror behind you to show your hairs. You can see the hair of back of your head, and this is made possible only by double reflection, means reflected light can be reflected again. How this happens? Actually, the ray of light starting from the back of your head first of all reflected from the mirror held by the dresser, and then these reflected rays again reflected from the front mirror and then reaches to your eyes. In this way, the reflected light can be reflected again. There are many devices which works on the principle that reflected light can be reflected again. Periscope is one of them, which is widely used in submarine. It is actually made up of a long tube bent twice at right angle, as you can see in the figure. It consists of two plane mirrors fixed at an angle of 45 degree at the frame as shown. The upper mirror forms the image of the object. This image acts as the object for the mirror fixed at the lower end, and the image formed in the second mirror or the lower mirror is viewed by the observer. Now let us see some of the uses of periscope. Usually the periscope is used in submarines to determine the distance of a torpedo and helps in deciding that the right time for the attack, as submarine is beneath the water. The second use is it is usually used in nuclear reactor to observe the chemical reactions that are taking place, as the person cannot enter the nuclear reactor, so they watch using the periscope. And in military, periscopes are used to observe from their hiding position the enemies. Some more uses in the field of medicine. They are used in the method of endoscopy, where an endoscope which works on the principle of periscope only is inserted into the human body to detect illness and diseases in place of surgery. Then the second use is used in labs. The periscope is used to monitor the dangerous chemical reactions in the laboratory, as they are used in observing nuclear reactors also.